Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make easy puff recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. In a bowl, we are going to be combining all our ingredients. So I'll be adding my flour, add my sugar, add my milk, add my yeast, salt and nutmeg. So I'll combine them together before adding water gradually. Don't worry about the recipe. I'm going to be adding them in my description box. So we're going to be adding our water gradually until we get the consistency we are looking for. Not too thick, not too watery, just light. So on this I'm using warm water, but the water is just very warm. So feel free to slap it the way I'm slapping it. So this is the consistency we are looking for. Not too thick, not too watery. So the next thing we are going to do, we're going to cover it and allow it to rise for like 45 to 1 hour, so it will double in size. So this is how it looks. It's already double in size. So let's heat up our oil. Please make sure to fry in medium heat to avoid your puff burning outside and raw inside. I'll be using my hand. Feel free. So please don't forget to fry in medium heat to avoid burning your puff. Turn it occasionally so that one side will not be too brown, the other side is raw. Oh, our puff is almost ready. Feel free to try the recipe. It's very simple and you will love it, and it's beginners friendly. So here is the puff is ready. I'm going to bring it out. Okay. Let's fry up the remaining one. So let's turn it. stir it, you turn it. This is the brown we're looking for. Look at how fine, how sweet it's looking. Let's bring it out. So guys, this is the outcome of the puff puff. So it's looking so fine and beautiful, and it tastes so yummy. Let's open one and see how it looks like. Ooh, this is so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.